Grabe guys, ang bigat ko na 130 kilograms na ako, pero it doesn't stop me from vlogging, reviewing items, traveling, and reviewing different kind of stuff. So Leanway food supplement has a natural ingredients like the green bean extract, green tea leaf extract, Garcinia, Cambogia extract at iba pa. So sulit to with 60 tablets per box. Ito ay iniinom ko at least one a day para at least mabawasan yung aking timbang at magkaroon ako ng magandang pangangatawan to prevent disease. Kasi you know guys, sa panahon ngayon bawal na magkasakit. So it's better that you have food supplement that would you take to help you fight those diseases and of course lose weight like me.